Today we have Tony Zhang from OptionsPlay in New York with us. Tony, welcome to Stockholm and Nasdaq.
Thank you for having me.
Let's start by talking about the new partnership we have between OptionsPlay and Nasdaq. What it's all about and what will it achieve?
So the primary goal of this partnership is to bring Nordic investors better options trading tools and education. And we've been working over the last few months on building the most intuitive options education and tools for Nordic derivatives so retail and professionals can understand how to harness the power of options for their portfolio. You know, this is something that we've been doing in North America across both retail and wealth management firms to help them, their clients better understand how to trade options and grow their options business. And we're really excited to be here in the Nordics and launch this new product and help the Nordic investors understand how to use listed options for their portfolio.
Sounds excellent. And so the concept is education and a tool. And you also are providing investors with different things like reports and...
Yeah, so OptionsPlay, we are an online platform for both analysis to understand how to trade the markets as well as education. The goal here is to help users better understand and bridge the gap between the classroom and their actual live trading and develop tools so that they can actually implement and execute these strategies in their portfolio.
That's great. And what can Nordic investors gain from utilizing options in their portfolios?
So there's three primary reasons that most users would utilize options in their portfolio. And that's income generation is the primary use case. Speculating on whether they're bullish or bearish on a stock is a secondary one. And some professionals like to use it as a risk mitigation tool to help them offset risk in a market downturn.
And I'm curious, can you give us an example maybe? I mean, in this low interest rate environment or even negative as we have right now, can you give us an example maybe how people can benefit from options? Yeah,
so this lower interest rate environment that we have globally is very challenging to seek income. And options is a great tool to be able to extract some yield from assets, especially if you have equities such as stocks or ETFs in your portfolio. The two primary strategies that we look at is selling cash secured puts to help investors acquire the stocks they want to purchase, and then eventually selling cover calls to help them exit those trades. Both transactions allow users to generate additional yield on their equity portfolio.
Okay, and where do you find more information about this?
So the great thing about this new partnership with Nasdaq is that all of the tools and the education is available completely free of charge at optionsplay.se.
Very good. Thank you very much, Tony.
Thank you so much for having me.